Let's have a look at a few of the ways that SK actions can be used. So in this scene, we just have a single sprite which is loaded in the middle of the scene. So let's start writing our SK action. Let, we'll call it fade in, and equal to SK action fade alpha to 1. And we'll do it over a duration of 2 seconds. As mentioned before, the alpha channel is on a scale from 0 to 1. Let's also create one called fade out, which will be exactly the same, except the alpha we're going to give it is 0, but over the same duration. So you've created your actions in memory, now it's time to use them. Just like nodes have to be added to nodes, actions have to be added to nodes as well. A node may have multiple actions added to it at once. So if we go myplane.runAction and then pass in one of those actions, so I'll use fade out. When I build and run, that sprite is going to instantly fade out. If I was to build it in a sequence and add fade out and fade in, after it is finished fading out, it'll fade back in. Now let's add an action called zoom in, and it will scale to 1. Once again, this is on a scale of 0 to 1, but it can also go beyond that. If you were to put in a scale of 2, it will be double its original size. We'll use the same duration on both of these as we create a zoom out as well. And let's put these in a sequence as well. Now run the sequence to see how it looks. Okay, so now if I create a group with both of these sequences in it, then both sequences will run at the same time. And there you have it, the ship now fades and zooms at the same time. What if we want this group to repeat a number of times? We can do that by using repeat action, and then giving it the number of times that we want this action to be repeated. What if after the action is run you want it to be removed from the scene? You could do this by adding it then to a sequence, then after your action add another SK action called remove from parent. And this will remove the entire node from its parent. You can also use repeat action forever to tell it to keep repeating the action as many times as it possibly can. So this will be until the application stops running or until the action is removed from the parent node.